Hello, is this the bus stop for Route 22?
Yes, you're in the right place.
Good, because I'm a bit confused.
Don't worry, the sign is small.
I've been waiting for 5 minutes already.
Oh, then the bus should come soon.
I really hope so. I have a meeting.
Important?
Very important. I can't be late.
Relax, the bus is usually on time.
Usually? That's scary.
Don't panic. Today traffic is light.
Do you take this route every day?
Yes, for the last 2 years.
That makes me feel better.
Where are you going?
City Center.
Perfect. This bus goes directly there.
That's a big relief.
Do you live nearby?
No, I just moved here.
Oh, that explains the confusion.
Yeah, everything feels new.
You'll get used to it soon.
I hope so.
Look, the bus is coming.
Finally, I was getting nervous.
See? Not late at all.
Thank you for helping me.
Anytime.
Have a good day.
You too.
Excuse me, where can I find the rice?
It's in aisle 3 on the left.
Oh, I checked aisle 3 but didn't see it.
It's on the top shelf.
No wonder I missed it.
Do you need basmati or regular?
Basmati for sure.
Then take the blue packet.
Thanks. Also, where is the milk?
In the dairy section at the back.
Great. And sugar?
Aisle 4, right side.
I'm new here, so everything looks confusing.
That's normal. You'll learn quickly.
By the way, do they have discounts today?
Yes, on fruits and vegetables.
Perfect. I needed apples.
They're fresh today.
That's good. Sometimes they're soft.
Not today. They look perfect.
And do they accept UPI?
Yes, at every counter.
Good. I forgot my wallet.
Happens to everyone.
Can I ask one more thing?
Sure.
Where are the eggs kept?
Near the bread section.
Thank you. You saved a lot of time.
Happy to help.
I think I got everything now.
Great. You're learning fast.
Thanks again.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, what happened?
I think I'm lost.
Where are you trying to go?
I need to reach Green Street.
Oh, that's close by.
Really? I walked for 10 minutes already.
Maybe you took a wrong turn.
That's possible. I'm new here.
No problem. I'll guide you.
Thank you so much.
Do you see that big red building?
Yes, I see it.
Go straight until you reach that.
Okay, straight to the red building.
Then take a right turn.
Right turn. Got it.
Walk for 2 minutes.
Just 2 minutes?
Yes, very close.
And after that?
You'll see a small park.
Okay, a small park.
Green Street is right behind that park.
That sounds easy.
Yes, don't worry. You won't get lost again.
I hope so. I have an appointment.
What time?
In 15 minutes.
Then you should walk fast.
I will. Do I need to cross the main road?
Yes, but use the zebra crossing.
Of course. Safety first.
Good. The place is easy once you reach the park.
You explained very clearly.
Thanks. I'm glad I could help.
Really, thank you again.
You're welcome.
You too. Hi, is anyone sitting here?
No, you can sit.
Thanks. It's so crowded today.
Yes, weekends are always busy.
True. What are you drinking?
A latte. What about you?
I haven't decided yet.
Try the caramel cappuccino.
Is it good?
Very good. My favorite.
Sounds sweet.
Yes, a little sweet but tasty.
By the way, do they have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is on the counter.
Great, I need to send an email.
Work stuff?
Yes, urgent.
You look stressed.
A little. Deadlines scare me.
Same here. Coffee helps.
True, coffee is life.
So, what will you order?
Okay, I'll try your suggestion.
Good choice.
Excuse me, one caramel cappuccino, please.
Perfect.
Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every day.
Must be peaceful on weekdays.
Very. Weekends are chaos.
I like the music here.
Yes, soft and relaxing.
Oh, my coffee arrived.
Taste it.
Wow, this is amazing.
Told you.
Thanks for the suggestion.
Anytime.
I feel calmer now.
Good. Enjoy your coffee.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too.
Hey, did you take my charger again?
No, I didn't.
Don't lie, it's not in my room.
Maybe you lost it.
I never lose anything.
Really? What about last week?
That was one time.
Fine, check on the table.
Oh, here it is.
See? Not my fault.
Okay, sorry.
You always blame me.
Because you usually take my things.
Only sometimes.
That's enough times.
Relax. Why are you so angry?
My phone is dying.
Oh, emergency.
Stop joking.
Okay. Need help?
Yes, let me charge it here.
Go ahead.
Thanks.
Want some juice?
Sure, why not?
Here.
Thanks, you're not that bad.
Wow, such a big compliment.
Don't push it.
Okay.
So, what are you doing today?
Homework. And you?
Meeting with friends?
Can I come?
No.
Why not?
You'll embarrass me.
Rude.
Truth.
Fine, go alone then.
Don't be upset.
I'm not.
Okay, see you later.
Bye.
Excuse me, do you have something for a cold?
Yes, many options. What symptoms do you have?
Runny nose and sore throat.
Any fever?
A little.
Then you should take this syrup.
Is it strong?
Not too strong. Good for mild cold.
Okay, how many times a day?
2 times after meals.
Should I avoid anything?
Cold drinks and ice cream.
Obviously.
Anything else you need?
Yes, do you have cough drops?
Right here.
Great, my throat hurts a lot.
This will help.
By the way, do you have a thermometer?
Yes, digital ones.
I'll take one.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Do you want the bill?
Yes, please.
Cash or card?
UPI?
Sure, scan here.
Done.
Here are your medicines.
Thank you. I hope I feel better soon.
You will. Just rest well.
I have work tomorrow.
Then sleep early today.
I will. Thanks again.
Get well soon.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Hello, can you take me to Airport Road?
Yes, please get in.
Thank you. Is the traffic heavy today?
A little, but we'll reach on time.
I hope so. My flight is in 2 hours.
Don't worry, it's enough time.
Good. How long will it take?
Around 35 minutes.
Okay. Please drive safely.
Always.
Do you know a faster route?
Yes, but it has toll.
Toll is fine. Time is more important.
Okay, I'll take that route.
Thank you.
Are you traveling for work?
Yes, a short business trip.
Nice. Which city?
Mumbai.
Beautiful city.
Yes, but crowded.
True.
Oh no, why did we stop?
Just a red signal.
That scared me.
Don't worry, we are still on time.
Good.
Do you want to play music?
No, it's okay. I just need silence.
Sure.
How much will the fare be?
Around 350 to 400.
Okay.
Look, we are almost there.
Really? That was fast.
Yes, this shortcut helped.
Thank you for the quick ride.
My pleasure.
Here's the payment.
Got it. Have a safe flight.
Thanks. Hi, is this bench free?
Yes, please sit.
Thanks. The weather is so nice today.
Yes, perfect for a walk.
Do you come here often?
Almost every evening.
That's nice. I just moved here.
Oh, welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you.
What brings you here today?
Just needed some fresh air.
Same. Park is relaxing.
Do people jog here in the morning?
Yes, a lot of them.
That's good. I want to start jogging.
Good habit.
Oh, look, a dog running around.
Ha ha, he comes here every day.
Cute.
But sometimes he steals snacks.
Really? That's funny.
Yes, everyone knows him.
I like this park already.
It grows on you.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 2 streets away.
Nice. I live on Maple Street.
Oh, that's very close.
Do they have events here?
Yes, on weekends.
Like what?
Yoga classes, music evenings.
Sounds fun.
You should join.
Maybe I will.
Anyway, I should go now.
Sure. It was nice talking to you.
Same here.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, are you ready for the class test today?
No, I'm actually very nervous.
Why? You studied yesterday, right?
Yes, but I forgot everything this morning.
Relax, it's just a small test.
Small for you, scary for me.
Okay, tell me which chapter confuses you.
Chapter 3, Tenses.
Ah, that one is tricky.
Can you explain it quickly?
Sure, past is for yesterday, present is for now, and future is for tomorrow.
That was actually helpful.
See? Nothing to fear.
But what if the teacher asks a difficult question?
Then say confidently, I'll try my best.
You're too calm.
Someone has to balance your panic.
Hey, that's not funny.
Okay, sorry.
What time is the test starting?
In 10 minutes.
Oh no, I'm shaking.
Breathe in, breathe out.
I think it's working.
Good. And remember, mistakes are normal.
I hope I don't fail.
You won't. I'll help you after school, too.
Thanks. You're a good friend.
Anytime. Let's go now before the bell rings.
Okay, let's face it together.
Excuse me, where is the emergency room?
It's straight down the hall, then left.
Thank you. My friend suddenly fainted.
Oh no, is he breathing properly?
Yes, but he looks very weak.
Don't worry, doctors here are very fast.
I hope he gets help soon.
Did something happen before he fainted?
He complained about chest pain.
Oh, that can be serious.
That's why I rushed him here.
Good decision.
How long do emergencies usually take?
It depends, but they prioritize critical cases.
I'm feeling so scared.
It's normal to feel scared.
The nurse said to wait outside.
Yes, they will update you soon.
I just want him to be okay.
He will. Stay positive.
Do you come here often?
My grandmother is admitted, so I visit daily.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's fine, she's recovering now.
Hospitals make me anxious.
Same here, but we have no choice.
Do you think they will call me soon?
Yes, emergency cases move quickly.
I hope for good news.
You will get it. Stay strong.
Thank you for staying with me.
Anytime. Friends help each other.
I think the nurse is calling me.
Go and don't panic.
Okay. I hope he's fine. Serious about English?
Then subscribe. Your progress starts here.